shit you rap about, I live it. The shit you dream about, I live it.
Yeah, big beat the boss shit. Can't say I ain't lost shit. Got it on me now, but I still be moving cautious. Beanies got me nauseous. I took 7, almost lost it. But we still gon' win the game. Bet against us, then he lost it. Baby, gon' ahead, get that shit. Don't matter what the cost is. Pay that price like every night. Them nightmares don't mean nothing. Higher power, I lean on. Double cut my styrofoam. If you need me, I'll be home. I just can't leave you alone.
The game ain't the
What do you want to put it over here?
So look back this way and look back this way.
That way?
Yeah.
Like the porch be?
The porch be that way. I think it would be cool. We have all this space back here to do everything else. Hey girl. Over here. What are you doing? She done sit down and start eating something. Cascade. Yeah. What you down there eating on? What you eating on? What you doing? What are you doing, mamas? What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, feisty. Well, y'all, this was the MMK headquarters. We were MMK before H.O.G.K. And now y'all get to kind of see this turn into the H.O.G.K farm. So, yes, the trailer has been scrapped. As y'all can see, it looks a lot worse in the front. Some more shit. But yeah, this is the puppy's first time coming out here. They haven't been, hey dude, he hasn't came out in a while. But we're just trying to figure out what we are going to do with all of this and placement of things and etc. So yeah. They seem to be enjoying it. I'm glad they are. What did I say? What? What did I say about what? What do I say about what? I don't know. Just in the general area. Just in the general area. We do have to find the flattest part of the area. It's not all that flat.
One day go. No.
Oh, now they being hard-headed?
No.
Yeah. She didn't even go that far.
Huh?
She didn't even go that far. So I didn't go that far. I listened. You should do, mama. You should do. Okay. That's been through a lot. So yeah, this is the front. I will walk y'all through it. Let's see if I can get up here. He is gonna go get the dogs. I'm going to walk y'all through this to show you, to tell y'all what was here. Okay. So, this was the kitchen, little pantry, like whatever. That was a bedroom, but we had, yeah, that was a bedroom and a half bath in that corner. This was the living room. That used to be another room back there, but we tore the wall down. You can kind of see, like right there, it was a wall right here, and it separated these areas, but we wanted it a more open concept, and so we had got the wall sheetrock. You can kind of see Kobe actually came and painted the walls gray, but this was a really, really big living room because we do have the dogs, so we wanted the open concept. And there's another door back here. This is the bathroom. Yeah, I know y'all heard that. Something knocking. Something's knocking. And then this was a bedroom. It had a really big window or whatever, back door. So yeah, this was supposed to be the MMK headquarters, Militia Kennels, where it all started, but COVID hit and everything spiked sky high. So it was like, no, we're gonna figure something else out. So we set it up until just now. And now it's been torn down because we have new plans. And hi. So yeah. Hi. Hi girl. How's your baby? Where's the other dog? No ma'am. Oh my god, you would be the one. Can you get down please? Where's, oh, you coming from somewhere you have no business. Yes. So, we'll definitely keep y'all updated on how things go with this and the progress with will now be that H.O.G.K farm. So, yeah.